Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into a topic that resonates with many young adults: the modern understanding of personality. In a world where you're constantly figuring out who you are, dealing with complex relationships, and seeking self-acceptance, understanding your personality can be a powerful tool. Let's explore this together. The journey of self-discovery is often intertwined with challenges. Struggles with parents, societal pressures, and the quest for self-acceptance are part of many young adults' lives. But how do we navigate these waters? First, let's talk about what personality is. Modern psychology views personality as a complex interplay of traits, behaviors, and thinking patterns. It's influenced by genetics, environment, and experiences. Understanding this helps us realize why we think, feel, and act the way we do. Many of you face difficulties in relationships, especially with parents. These conflicts often arise from generational differences and contrasting perspectives. Recognizing that your personality is unique and may differ from your parents can pave the way for better understanding and communication. Self-acceptance is a crucial part of this journey. It involves embracing all aspects of your personality, including your strengths and weaknesses. Understand that being different is not just okay, it's what makes you, you. So how can you overcome these struggles? Let's walk through some steps. Start by exploring your own personality. Take personality tests, reflect on your reactions and feelings, and try to understand your core values. In conflicts, especially with parents, strive for open and honest communication. Express your feelings respectfully and try to understand their perspective. Find areas of common interest or agreement. This can be a foundation for stronger relationships. Be kind to yourself. Acknowledge your efforts and progress, even if it's small. Don't hesitate to seek support from counselors or psychologists. They can provide valuable insights and strategies. Understanding your personality is like reading a map of your inner world. It can guide you through the complexities of relationships and the journey of self-acceptance. Remember, you're not alone in this. This is an exciting journey of self-discovery only you can win. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications on our latest content. Here's to embracing your unique personality and living your best life. See you in the next video.